Stop requested.
Hey everybody, this is Eugene Bradley, founder and CEO of the Silicon Valley Transit Users. Today I've got video of the construction VTA is doing at the First and Younger light rail area. That's right between Civic Center and Gish Light Rail Stations. It's the connecting point to VTA's Guadalupe Light Rail Yard. VTA is replacing track and switches that were originally in place in the late 1980s. There is a shuttle bus that's running between Gish and Civic Center light rail stations in both directions. I'll have a quick video of that, and I'm going to have more of these types of videos with stuff as well as hot takes on various local transit issues. So hit like and subscribe below this video. Get yourself informed about when more of these great videos are going to be coming your way. So enjoy the video. Thank you.
Everyone, it's Eugene again. On Saturday, I had fun taking VTA Light Rail from Metro Airport down to Gish. There I transferred to the shuttle bus VTA had and rode that to Civic Center. And at Civic Center, I transferred back onto Light Rail going south to downtown San Jose. That transition between Light Rail, the shuttle bus, and then back to Light Rail was just super smooth. So good on you, VTA, for making this happen, especially the transition. I didn't record the shuttle bus service going northbound on North First, as all that bus does, it just goes north on North First Street and then U-turns at Gish. There it drops off light rail passengers for trips going northbound and elsewhere on the light rail system north of Gish. As I said, good job VTA for having this shuttle bus system happen. This as you reconstruct and replace the track and switches at the North First and Younger switch going down to Guadalupe Light Rail Yard. Anyway, that construction is due to end on March 4th, so best of luck, make it happen. Anyway, have a nice day. Please stay safe while riding transit.
For all the brouhaha about Valley Fair and the parking fees they're charging there, here's one solution nobody's talked about, and this is a big surprise. It's called the number 60 bus. I'm at Winchester Light Rail Station, which is a free park and ride lot. Just take this northbound 60 bus going to Milpitas BART Station via San Jose Airport. It's a 10-minute ride up Winchester Boulevard to Valley Fair Mall, and that Valley Fair Mall stop is about 5 minutes walk away on Winchester Boulevard. So take this bus. It's $2.50 for adults. Ride it about 10 minutes to Valley Fair Mall, 10 minutes back, and the parking at Winchester Light Rail Station is free. Oh, and this same bus also takes you to Earthquake soccer games at PayPal Park. It's about a 20-minute bus ride up from Winchester Light Rail Station. Free parking lot. Save yourself parking fees and get there to and from Earthquakes games this season nice and relaxed and not stressed out about parking woes or traffic or other things. Let you enjoy the game a little bit more. Just something to think about. Thank you.